Racing Images here with my dad Marty, and he's showing us his new toy today.
This is a 1950 Ford F100 with a Chevy drivetrain in it. The only way to get a Ford. L88 big black 127 vet motor, non-exclusive heads and roller cam, about 800 horse, ton of Ram with twin 850 carburetors on it, 12-volt rim, 4-inch tranny. She's down a quarter and 10 quarters.
Come get a look at this motor.
Tub, shot, twin 850s up there. Got the full cage all the way through it.